friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video. And if you want to see how we make M&M's Rice Krispies squares, let's get started. So my friends, we're going to be using some Rice Krispie in this recipe. We're also going to use some mini marshmallows. We might tip a little bit of vanilla in there. I'm not quite sure yet. We're going to use some butter. And we're hoping to use some mini M&Ms. So let's get started. So my friends, we're going to be melting the butter. Here we go. And I do have help today. So I do have a helper today, so this is going to be great. And my daughter, I swear, is an expert. My daughter is an expert Rice Krispie square maker. Okay, my friends, we're using 2.5 tablespoons of butter. We're melting the butter. All right, my friends, while the butter is melted, we're going to be buttering the dish that we're using, okay, to put the Rice Krispie squares. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to butter. Oh, that's a lot of butter.
It's okay, man. You have one life to live. Do it right.
Okay, let's go over to the stove again and see what's happening. Okay. Okay, and so we're adding the whole bag of marshmallows, my friends. My friends, you need to be very, very careful with hot marshmallows, okay? So we're melting the marshmallows into the butter. As I said, my friends, my daughter is an expert on making Rice Krispie squares. She always gets it done perfectly. I think she's one of the only people that I know that could make Rice Krispie square.
I mean, Martha Stewart might have something to say.
Whatever. One of the few people that can make it.
Are you going to add a little tip?
We don't usually.
So...
Can y'all make it special, please?
Oh, that is gonna go.
Alright, just add just a tiny bit.
Nobody puts vanilla in.
Yeah, they do. You guys just don't know what you're missing.
If she screws it up, God help her.
Ready?
That's it.
You got me?
Yeah. Some marshmallow. Okay. So we're adding a little bit of vanilla. You do not want the marshmallows to burn. Okay, so it's on medium low. Okay, guys, you guys can't talk over it.
Yeah.
And we're doing this in a wok, my friends. I forgot to say we're making Rice Krispie squares in a wok, and this is actually M&M's Rice Krispie squares in a wok. Okay. Wow, that looks very nice. That looks kind of cloudy. Ooh, I like that. Make sure it's not too
and you don't want
fluffy.
You don't want the marshmallows to fully melt. You kind of want to see
Okay.
the shape of it still. Ooh. Okay.
Looks good. Okay, so let's pause and wait for the next step.
Tell them, take it off.
So my friends, you want to remove this from the stove, and then you add your Rice Krispie squares. How much Rice Krispies are you adding?
You have to go little by little.
You gotta go little by little. So for the whole bag,
If you want it extra crunchy, then you have to add more. If you want it softer, you add less.
okay. We're gonna add some more. That looks like maybe about 4 cups that's in there already. And that's the thing with when my daughter's making Rice Krispie squares, she never measures anything. She just pours and...
You gotta cook from the gut.
Right. I keep telling you, a good cook never follows a recipe, right? And this Rice Krispie square, my friends, comes out perfectly all the time. Don't forget the M&Ms. You need more Rice Krispies? When do you add in your thing? So we're adding some more marshmallows. So it's almost It's almost a full bag that we're...
What part of a little bit was that?
Yeah. So maybe about 6 to 8 cups of Rice Krispies. Yeah, Rice Krispies she added.
I need another one. Sorry.
So you're gonna continue mixing this in properly, my friends, and make sure it's nicely combined. Okay, so I think it's ready to add the M&Ms in now at this point. So let's get them M&Ms. Open the bags. Open the bag. Okay, so we're gonna add some M&Ms in, and here we go.
All of it?
No. Gonna mix it in.
A little bit more.
Be generous with it.
Not everybody likes M&Ms.
I think that's good.
Oh, that looks good, my friends. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. So we're going to turn it over into the baking dish now, into the greased baking tray. But we're not going to bake it, my friends. We're just going to leave it on the counter, my friends, until it firms up, okay? So here we go. We're going to transfer it over quickly. Oh. Yeah, baby. Yep, so you just want to flatten it down, make it nice. This is a nice treat to bring into a party. Although we're not supposed to be having any parties, my friends, or not too many people. But this is M&M Rice Krispies squares that we're making. It looks awesome already. It's pretty fast to make, my friends. Maybe 10 minutes or so, and you have some nice treats. And you can see the marshmallows in here, my friends, right? My friends, so we're going to place the saran wrap on this right now, and we're going to leave it on the counter for a little bit until it firms up a little bit, okay? And then we're going to cut it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, my friends, be sure to pat the Rice Krispie squares down so that it can mold and mold properly, okay? There's our M&Ms. You can see them right through and through. That's what we're looking for. You don't have to put too much M&Ms, but this makes a nice little treat. Okay, so as I said, we're going to apply saran wrap on the top of this, and then we're going to come back later when it's all set and cut it. Okay. Okay, my friends, just for a side note, the worst thing about making Rice Krispie squares, my friend, is that big mess at the bottom of the pot. It's hard to get out. It's all glucose stick to the bottom of the pot. So what I am going to try is this Dawn Powerwash soap that they have going on, and let's see. Okay, so I'm going to spray on the Powerwash, my friends, onto this, and let's see if by the time our Rice Krispie is ready, if the Powerwash would have done its job. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll tell you how long this stayed before it worked. Be sure to cover it, my friends, all over, all over, all over. And we're going to leave it for a little bit and see if by the time the Rice Krispie is set, if this Powerwash, Dawn Powerwash would have worked. Okay, all right, stay tuned. Okay, my friends, this is about half an hour. I think our Rice Krispie squares is ready. Oh, nice and firm. I'm going to cut this, my friends, and plate it, okay? Okay, so here we go. We're cutting the Rice Krispies. Although it looks nice, my friends. Nice and firm already. I told you she's the best Rice Krispie square maker around town. Okay.
How big?
Yeah, nice size chunks. Yeah. Okay. And if you can put it on the plate, that would be helpful. Okay, my friends, here we are. These are M&M Rice Krispie squares. Oh my gosh, look at all that deliciousness flowing through. And as you can see, the M&Ms starting to melt inside, but that's what we're looking for. And you can see lots of nice M&Ms on top. So there we go, my friends. Go out, try and make M&M's Rice Krispie squares. Okay? Thank you for watching, my friends. Don't forget, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better. Okay, my friends, our experiment with the Dawn Powerwash. I'm going to show you what's happening, and this is after half an hour. Okay? It's supposed to just...
It's definitely loosening up, but I would still soak it.
Just in that solution only, and not in with water.
I don't know. What do you think?
Okay, my friends, this is the bottom of the pan that we used to make a Rice Krispie square, and this is after using the Dawn Powerwash. It's been soaking for maybe about 40 minutes now, my friends, and it doesn't seem to lift anything off, right? It does a little bit, but I thought everything would have just lift up. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this out and see how it is and give you my final thoughts. So my friends, this is how it looks after I've put some elbow grease into the pot to get all the yuckiness up. So I mean, the Dawn Powerwash, you know, didn't work better than any other soap than its natural Dawn brand, I don't think. I think if I've used the regular soap, the regular Dawn soap, it would have still come out just like this. So I don't think it's a big deal. I wouldn't spend, what, $6 on Dawn Powerwash. And as I said, this is after I put some elbow grease into it, right? So, okay, my friends, so I'm sorry, the water was on and I didn't realize that you guys wouldn't be able to hear me quite well. Okay, so I had to put some elbow grease into cleaning the pan, my friends. I don't think Dawn Powerwash by itself did any ridiculous amazing job. If I'd used the Dawn Advance, I think it would have still worked the same way. So, you know, are you going to spend $6 for a Dawn Powerwash? I will, you know, I will use it again until it's done, but I don't think I would pay $6 for it. Okay, so that's my final thoughts on that.